In today's video, I'll teach you how to send an email on MailTime app. First of all, what you have to do is launch open MailTime application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see all your emails over here. So if you want to send an email, what you have to do is tap on the compose button that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to compose the email. Over here, you'll also be able to find the field for subject and to. First of all, what you have to do is enter the recipient's email address over here. In the to field, what you have to do is simply enter the recipient's email address. After you do that, also select the subject, tap on the field of subject. Now what you have to do is enter the subject over here. Now once you do that, tap on the right icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to enter the message over here. Tap on the message bar. Now what you have to do is simply enter the message over here. Now you'll also be able to attach the photos, recordings, files, etc. After you're done, tap on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the message will be sent. So like this, you'll be able to send an email. So that is how you send an email on MailTime app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.